Hey guys, imagine having the freedom to work from home, set your own schedule, and make enough money not just to scrape by, but actually make a great living. I know it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me here. I'm not trying to sell you anything, and I'm definitely not here to waste your time with empty promises. I've been down that road, tried a ton of side hustles that led nowhere, but today I want to share something real, something that works and could make a difference for you, especially if you've been feeling stuck. So what are we talking about? It's a simple business model that involves helping small businesses with their incoming calls. Picture this: a small business like a plumber or a local salon gets a ton of calls every day, but they're busy doing their job, fixing sinks, cutting hair, whatever it is that they do. Most of these calls end up going to voicemail or just getting missed entirely. And here's the kicker: about 62% of these calls go unanswered. That's a lot of potential customers slipping through the cracks, all because no one picked up the phone. This is where we come in. We set these businesses up with something called missed call text back. It's exactly what it sounds like. When someone calls and no one answers, instead of losing that lead, the system automatically sends a text back saying, "Hey, sorry, we missed your call. How can we help you?" It's super simple, but think about it. If you're the one who called, you're way more likely to reply to the text instead of moving on to the next business on Google, right? And for the business owner, it's a win-win. They get to keep the potential customers engaged without having to drop everything they're doing. Now, let's talk about how we set this up, okay? Don't worry, it's not rocket science, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. First things first, you'll need a tool that handles everything. Let me just show you here. There are a few software options out there. Some are free, some are paid, but for today, I'll walk you through a general setup that most of them have. Sign in and access. You'll start by signing into the software that offers the missed call text back feature. Once you're in, you usually get a dashboard like this where all the magic happens. Connect to Google My Business. This is key because we're targeting businesses that already have a presence online. You'll ask the business owner to log into their Google My Business account through the software by clicking Connect. This lets the tool pull in all the business info for the software to work. Now next, head over to the Settings tab, click Business Profile, scroll down until you see an option for missed call text back. The software usually has a default text message that says something like this: "Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help?" But you can tweak this to make it sound more personal or specific to the business. Make sure the text feels authentic, like it's coming from the business owner, not cold or like an automated bot. Maybe type something like, "Hi, this is Jamie from Jamie's Plumbing. Sorry I couldn't answer your call. How can I assist you?" That little personal touch goes a long way. You get the picture. Now finally, do a test call to make sure everything works smoothly. Call the business number, let it ring without answering, and see if the text comes through as expected. If it does, congrats. You just set up a service that can save a business hundreds, if not thousands, in missed opportunities. So how do you turn this into an online business that makes you money now that you know how it's done? It's very simple. You offer this as a service to small businesses. Charge them a monthly fee, $300, $400, or even $500, depending on how much value you're providing. It's a win-win because they keep potential customers engaged and you earn a steady income for setting it all up. When you're pitching this to business owners, use numbers they can relate to. Show them how much money they could be losing by missing calls, and then explain how your service fixes that. I like to use a simple ROI calculator like this one. This calculator is free for you to use. Ask them how many calls they think they miss each month, what their average client is worth, and how many calls they usually convert into paying customers. What's the average close rate? Plug those numbers in and show them. As you can see here, you're missing out on $3,300 a month for just $297. I can help you fix that. It's hard for them to say no when they see the potential gains laid out like that. You can also show your potential client a quick demo of how the missed call text back works by showing them this page. Just have them try it out by clicking this tab right here. They will quickly get a message on their phone asking how they could be helped. Don't worry if you don't have a website or know how to set up a web page like this. Just keep watching till the end of the video where I will give away the free course and scripts, including the website, all for free to help you get started, okay? All right, now let's talk about what happens if a customer replies to the missed call text back asking a bunch of questions, the business owner is busy, and you're not there to answer every message. That's where we step it up a notch with AI. We set up a chatbot that can handle most of the basic questions a customer might have. Think of it as the next level of service. Okay, the bot can pull information directly from the business's website, or you can program it with answers to the most common questions like services offered, pricing, or hours of operation. It's like giving the business owner a virtual assistant without having to pay an actual employee. Here's how you do it. Number one, access the AI feature. On your software dashboard, go to Settings on the left, then click Conversation AI. Number two, train the bot. You'll need to feed the bot some info so it knows what to say. Start by copying the business's website URL into the tool. This lets the bot scan the site and learn about the business. You can also manually input common questions and the right answers. Like here, for example, I just copied the Q&A from the client's website's FAQ page. Number three, connect communication channels. Make sure the bot is set up to handle messages from various channels, text messages, chat widget, live chat, Instagram and Facebook Messenger, etc. This way, no matter how a customer reaches out, the bot is ready to respond. Number four, test it out just like we did with the missed call text back. Do a quick test, ask the bot some typical questions a customer might ask, and see how it responds. Adjust the answers if needed, and once it's good, you're all set. This setup not only helps the business by keeping potential customers engaged, but also makes your service even more valuable. You're not just capturing missed calls, you're making sure every customer interaction is handled quickly and professionally. So there you have it, a complete, easy to implement service that helps small businesses keep more of their leads and grow their customer base. And it's something that you can do with no technical skills involved. Just by setting up the missed call text back and AI chatbot, you're providing a real solution that business owners need. And the best part, you get to earn a steady income from it. If this sounds like something you'd like to dive into, drop a comment below, smash the like button, and I'll send over the free course with all the templates and scripts you need to get started. No hidden fees, no upsells, just straight up useful stuff that'll help you make this happen. Thanks for watching.